when we fell in love. On the first night that we met together, we didn't happen. I have very few regrets. Ordinary problems, it's not been hard to face. But lately, little changes have been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong what I can do. But you can't reach my life because it's place it's you. You got to love me for what I am, to simply be me. Don't love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.